Hi, I'm Chris with Cloud Campaign, and in this video guide, I'll be diving into whether it's better to build your own social media management platform or integrate a white label social media management solution into your existing SaaS suite. Let's dive in. Social media management is a booming industry, and with the increasing need for businesses to have a social media presence, SaaS companies want to tap into this lucrative market. And we don't blame them. So if you're a software provider looking to cash in on social media management services, you've likely been put off by the exorbitant cost and scope of developing your own solution. For a lot of companies, social media management services like post scheduling are tools their customers and prospective customers in overlapping markets would pay for or switch over for, but they don't have the time or resources to develop them on their own. This can be a frustrating situation if you've identified a surefire avenue for growth, but lack the resources or time, or both, to bring it to fruition. So in this video guide, I'll be talking about how embedding a third-party social media management software platform like Cloud Campaign accelerates your product development while quickly generating new revenue streams for your company compared to developing a product from scratch. So let's talk about the business benefits of integrated SaaS. We've covered the operational benefits of building on top of your existing SaaS platform in our beginner's guide to SaaS software integration, such as creating a competitive advantage, improving productivity, and customer retention. So in this video, we'll turn our focus to the other business impacts that expanding your software suite has. First, let's talk about creating sustainable paths to new markets. So most SaaS companies build on their product suite to attract customers from adjacent or complementary markets to scale their revenue, which is a sound strategy. This method of growth involves introducing new features that make sense for your existing customers, which increases retention while providing compelling value to a new audience by addressing their pain points. This could be something like a competitor's pricing or lack of feature availability. So why should you consider integrating social media management into your software suite? Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, social media management is crucial for so many businesses, but the reality is it's time-consuming to manage. Most small and mid-sized companies simply lack the bandwidth and skill set required to really move the needle on social media. Coming up with ideas, scheduling content, responding to messages, it's quite literally a full-time job. This is why it's usually the first thing to be cut from budgets, even though it is crucial for visibility and growth. Expanding your software's capability to a true all-in-one solution can lock in customer loyalty and turn them into brand advocates. Failing to do so opens the door for competitors to come in and steal the show. Here's a common example we've seen in the wild. Let's suppose you run a software company providing best-in-class web analytics for marketing agencies serving small and mid-sized businesses in the hospitality industry. To keep your costs low and your business nimble, you work with outside companies and teams to develop your software. Through market research, you've identified an opportunity to capitalize on the lack of integrated and localized social media management for these agencies, so you decide to add social media management to your web analytics suite. Depending on your situation, you could approach this by developing your own tools or by integrating them through a third-party platform. But which approach makes the most sense for rapid, scalable growth? Let's dive into the benefits and pitfalls of developing your own software. So if you're a mid-sized or large company with lots of resources on hand, you might consider building your own software for a number of reasons. First, building your own software gives you greater customization and control over the features offered. This can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of a tool compared to a third-party platform. This approach allows for full customization and seamless integration into your existing ecosystem, creating a cohesive experience, as a third-party platform might not integrate as easily as your in-house product. Another benefit of developing your own product is complete ownership over data and security. If you have the ability to parse this information, you can gain crucial insights into customer behavior, features used, and other key information to make actionable decisions. Having a customized social media management platform also can give you a competitive edge by offering features and functionalities that aren't available currently on the market. But the reality is there are significant obstacles that exist that prevent all companies from developing their own social media management platform. Next, we'll explore them in conjunction with the benefits of integrating third-party software. Integrating third-party software cuts the development time and cost significantly. And this is where the first major benefit of integrating third-party software reveals itself. It can cost $25K to $100K just to develop a simple application, depending on the scope. On top of that, you'll need to hire a team to build this product, which can take months or even years and on their time. And this can be frustrating when you want a product to capitalize on a revenue-growing opportunity like yesterday. The initial cost of development doesn't include the annual overhead associated with maintaining, updating, and upgrading an SMM platform. This is a major investment that takes a lot of time to earn back and may require a significant amount of planning and budgeting to justify the expense, leaving narrower margins for the product. On the other hand, licensing and integrating an existing product costs a fraction of that and can be deployed within days or weeks through simple connections, iframes, or other coding methods straight into your existing product's dashboard. Licensed software also benefits from generous margins that can suit your business and your market's needs. Check out this ROI curve for a company developing its own app at this 25 to 100K mark versus integrating a third-party solution. As you can see, the returns are nearly immediate. And if it doesn't work out, you haven't spent hundreds of thousands of dollars and hours on the project. The barrier to exit is much lower, making it a much safer investment. The other thing to consider is ongoing product updates and adding new features to the product. Companies like Meta, Google, and TikTok are continuously pushing out new features and updating their algorithms, which customers want to access and take advantage of through their social media management tools. If you're providing SMM services, you have to keep up with the latest updates and trends in order to maintain a competitive advantage while also managing your existing products. It is a full-time gig, and unfortunately, it isn't particularly easy or cheap to find and retain the talented people necessary to make it all work. Licensing a third-party SMM platform like CloudCampaign lets you affordably outsource the product development so you can focus on the more important aspects of your business. In fact, a leader in social media management for dental practices realized that integrating a white-labeled version of CloudCampaign into their dashboard was exponentially more cost-effective than maintaining their own, and ended up discontinuing its own tool, saving hundreds of thousands of dollars in annual upkeep and development costs. As a result of integrating our white label SMM platform, they were able to rapidly expand their business and currently serve a significant share of that market. Another key advantage of integrating plug-and-play SMM platforms into your services is that it can be easily white labeled, also known as rebranding, to blend seamlessly into your existing dashboard. And here's an example of what that can look like. Notice the function of CloudCampaign has been renamed to social content, and it's embedded into an existing software suite. Integrating a tested and proven social media management platform prevents your users from experiencing the turbulence of releasing a yet unproven software. As exciting as new tools are, your customers will remember a botched tool or faulty software. Additionally, you save yourself from the headache and cost associated with data security, infrastructure, maintenance, and providing adequate server performance. Integrating through CloudCampaign also has the benefit of secure access and single sign-on, also known as SSO, and keeps all of your users in one location, which, as we mentioned in our beginner's guide to SaaS integration, is crucial for productivity and customer retention. To sum it all up, scalability and automation are at the core of CloudCampaign's award-winning feature set. But that isn't the only way we help agencies and SaaS enterprises scale. We've made it incredibly fast and easy to integrate CloudCampaign into most existing SaaS dashboards, allowing you to integrate award-winning SMM services at a fraction of the cost and time it would take to develop it on your own. You can choose which platform tools users have access to using permission-based feature flags. This makes it easy for agencies or SaaS enterprises to build focused or tier-based packages for their ideal audience. For example, you could enable CloudCampaign's scheduling and content creation tools for customers that are more self-service and hands-off at a lower cost. For your mid-tier customers, you could enable data reporting, and for your high-tier customers, you could enable features like AI caption generation and pre-generated content packs, all at custom pricing plans of your choosing. And these are just a few of the possibilities for integrating CloudCampaign into your product, thanks to our platform's ease of integration, customization, and affordable pricing. Ready to bring social media management software into your product suite? Visit the link below or check out the show notes to get in contact with our team to see how integration can transform your business. Thanks for watching.